Every pizza style explained in 6 minutes. Did you know? Pizza isn't just one thing. From thin, soft, slightly charred crusts in Italy to thick, heavy, almost pie-like pizzas in the US. And the crazy part is, each style has its own personality, its own way of being made, and even its own way of being eaten. Hey everyone, welcome to Food Insign, where we explore the most fascinating stories behind food from around the world. Today, we're going through 7 of the most iconic pizza styles in just 6 minutes. 1. Neapolitan. This is where it all began. Neapolitan pizza comes from Naples, Italy, the birthplace of modern pizza. It has a very thin center, with a soft, airy crust that puffs up around the edges and gets slightly charred in a wood-fired oven. The toppings are incredibly simple: tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and basil. But that simplicity is exactly what makes it perfect. No distractions, no overload, just pure, balanced flavor. 2. New York style. If you've ever watched an American movie, you've definitely seen this one. Big slices, thin crust, foldable. The base is a bit sturdier than Neapolitan, so it can hold more cheese and toppings without falling apart. It's slightly greasy, cheesy, and incredibly satisfying. This is the ultimate on-the-go pizza. Fast, convenient, and addictive. 3. Chicago deep dish. This isn't just pizza, this is a full meal. Chicago deep dish is baked in a deep pan, almost like a pie. The order of ingredients is flipped: cheese first, then meat, and finally tomato sauce on top. Why? Because it takes longer to bake, and putting sauce on top prevents it from burning. It's thick, rich, and heavy. You don't eat this with your hands. You eat it with a knife and fork. 4. Sicilian. Sicilian pizza is thick, fluffy, and usually square-shaped. The crust is soft and airy on the inside, with a light crisp on the outside. It's often baked in large trays and cut into square slices. This is the kind of pizza made for sharing. If Neapolitan is art, Sicilian is comfort. 5. Detroit style. This one might surprise you, but it's one of the fastest-growing pizza styles in the US. Detroit pizza is baked in a rectangular metal pan. The cheese is spread all the way to the edges, and when it bakes, it creates a crispy, caramelized crust around the sides. The sauce is added on top after baking, giving it a bold contrast of flavors. One bite, and you get crispy, soft, and cheesy all at once. 6. California style. This is where pizza becomes a playground. There are no strict rules here. You'll find toppings like barbecue chicken, avocado, arugula, even unexpected gourmet combinations. California pizza is all about creativity. It's modern, experimental, and constantly evolving. If you like trying new things, this one's for you. 7. St. Louis style. And finally, one of the most unique styles. The crust is super thin, almost like a cracker. It's cut into small squares instead of slices, and that makes it incredibly snackable. Light, crispy, and easy to keep eating without even realizing it. And there you have it. 7 of the most iconic pizza styles in the world. From Italy to the US, from tradition to innovation, pizza isn't just food, it's culture, history, and creativity baked into one dish. As for me, my personal favorite has to be New York style. Simple, convenient, and always hits the spot. What about you? Which pizza style is your favorite? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Food Insign for more amazing food content. See you in the next video.